In today's video, I am going to show you how to create unlimited Snapchat accounts without providing your original phone number or email address. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to create unlimited accounts on Snapchat but you do not want to use your original phone number or email address, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and go to this website called Tempmail, Tempmail. Tap on search. Now click on this first link and wait for a few seconds now. Once this fake email address is created, click on copy. And now using this email address, create your account on Snapchat. Once the account is created, you will be required to provide the verification code that will be sent to this email address. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And here in this inbox section, you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the code, all you have to do is to copy it and then paste it on Snapchat. And after that, your Snapchat account will be created. In this way, you can create unlimited Snapchat accounts without providing your original phone number or email address. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.